Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. In this short video, I am going to show you how you can make a video from the text. You can make your text in 3D animation video. It's very simple and easy. You can do it by yourself. It's just with the simple and easy steps. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's begin to our topic. Friends, so first of all we go to the Google and then type there glia star. So we just type here GLIA star, and then you can see here the official link on the top. You click that one. So now you can see here the different interface. You can see here the demo, and then you can create here. So I just click the create now. Then you can see here the auto animate me just by typing your message. If you can imagine it, you can do it. So you can select the start, and then now here is asking the select your character. So you can select here any character you want. Here you can get the many characters. So I just change, for example, I just change the character. Then after we selecting the character, we click the continue. Now you can see here the insert your message, and then here you can get the option. You can choose the different category type. You can see the English, Japanese, Korean, Vietnam's, Indonesian. So I just select the English, and then you can choose here the lovely girl, woman. So I just remain the same setting as lovely girl. Now I want to type here any message. For the demonstration, I just copy paste. So I click the process. You can play here.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates in this video.
And click the continue. Once we click the continue, you can see
Hello
here
friends, welcome to my channel
just
Media
pass. Now you can see here the select your video template. Then here you can get many template that you can choose. So you can choose any template to continue. So I just select this one.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest.
So you can see now we click to continue.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel.
Now it's automatically play your video is ready, and then save as MP4. So I just click the save as MP4. Then you can so our video is ready. Now we just fill up our information in email and website, and then you can download your video. So I just fastly take network and then download my video. Once I click download my video, we started prepare your MP4 file. The file will be sent to your email in few minutes. Please wait, hold on. So we just wait, and then we check our video on our email, and then check our mail. You can email. You can see here that our video is ready. Then you can see the our video download here. So we just click the download. Then you can select here the download video.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates in this video.
So our video is ready. So that is the simple and easy method.
Hello friends, welcome
You can
to my
see.
channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates in this video.
Okay friends, so that is the simple and easy method that you can turn your text to the 3D animation video. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new update. So let's see you in the next video. Thank you.